Ahoy there cruisers, welcome on board Norwegian Encore. We're going to take a look at 3 different types of ocean view cabin, starting with a forward facing ocean view cabin.
On the TV you can book and look at things like entertainment, dining, daily schedules, weather and watch TV. Plus there's pay-per-view movies. There's also a live interactive map.
The lamps beside each bed have a handy USB charging port, and there's storage beside each bed too.
The porthole is huge and offers views across the front of the ship.
There's a large wardrobe with shelves and a safe.
At the desk there's 3 US and 1 European plug sockets, as well as a hairdryer, telephone and mini fridge.
The Do Not Disturb buttons and aircon controls are located on the wall.
The bathroom is modern and spacious, with a glass-walled shower. There's plenty of storage too. Amenities include shower gel, conditioning shampoo and soap.
The family ocean views with the large porthole windows are huge. The cabin is split into 2 different bedrooms. The sofa bed converts into a bed and another bed can drop down from the ceiling. There's loads of storage and a curtain can be pulled across to separate the bedrooms.
There's 2 TVs, but the one near the main bed is awkwardly located in the hallway.
The bathroom is large and looks more like a mini suite bathroom, but it has a bath, double sinks and plenty of storage.
Finally, we have an accessible ocean view cabin. These cabins have been adapted for disabled cruisers, including those in wheelchairs.
The room is large with plenty of space. Like a standard ocean view, there's a desk and plenty of storage, including adjustable hanging rods. The cabin has extra wide doors for easy access.
The large wet room bathroom is wheelchair accessible and includes grab rails, a lower sink, adjustable mirrors, as well as a seat in the shower.
We hope you enjoyed our videos about different types of ocean views on Norwegian Encore. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, we've got so many amazing videos coming soon, and hit that bell button so you're notified when we upload. And please check out our Patreon to support us even further. It's super appreciated. That's it till next time. Happy cruising!